Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai permanent residence. For those who are unaware, we're now sitting here at the beginning of the fourth quarter of 2023, and permanent residence window, we're probably looking on the horizon to see it be opening sometime in the coming months. Now, exactly when remains to be seen. It generally happens at the discretion of the Minister of Interior, and that position is now filled by a new person, specifically Anutin Charnvirakul, who has taken over as Interior Minister. We're anticipating the opening of the PR window, but as of yet, we cannot say with certainty when exactly the window will be open. But the reason for this video, the question is being posed, can permanent residence in Thailand be purchased? Can you buy permanent residence? And I don't want folks to view this video as anything unseemly or illegal. There are jurisdictions around the world that do allow for residence by investment, or even in cases, citizenship by investment. So the question posed, does Thailand provide a residence by investment program? And in point of fact, not really. Now, as we've discussed in other videos, so-called long-term residence visas, which are not residence visas in point of fact, they are just sort of long visas. Those there are options out there. There's also the Thailand Elite, where you can buy your way into the membership program. And one of the benefits of that is a long-term visa here in Thailand, although not work authorized, as noted in other videos. Those are not residents per se, though. As noted before, the so-called LTR visa does not confer permanent residence, meaning the ability to just remain in Thailand indefinitely without any need to check in with immigration, effectively check in with any immigration. And it's a status that does not end. Permanent residence is by definition permanent, okay? As we've discussed in other videos, again, the LTR has an expiration date. Thailand Elite visas have an expiration date. It may have a really long expiration date, 20 years, for example, but it may not have but it doesn't have the permanence associated with Thai permanent residence. So the question asked, is it possible to gain permanent residence by investment? Well, not specifically insofar as it's sort of a quid pro quo transaction where one would pay a certain amount of money and then be granted residence. So something akin to, for example, the EB-5 visa in the United States, the green card by investment visa in the USA. There isn't really anything quite akin to that in Thailand, but it is possible to put oneself on the track to permanent residence. For example, Thai corporate ownership may put one on track for permanent residence, getting a job in Thailand, work authorization in Thailand. Even marriage can have an impact on the ability to maintain long-term status here in Thailand. So the thing to take away from this video is, while there is not specifically a straight cash for residence program, for example, here in Thailand, it may be possible to place oneself on the path to permanent residence to live here in the kingdom on a permanent basis.